In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a strip on Wix tutorial. A strip in Wix is a full-width section that holds content like text, images, and buttons. If you no longer need a section or you want to simplify your layout, deleting a strip is quick and safe when you know where to click. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. Make sure you're on the exact page that contains the strip you want to remove. Give the editor a few seconds to fully load so all elements and toolbars are available. It helps to switch to desktop view if you're working across devices, because the controls are easiest to see there. Now, hover your mouse over the section you want to delete. You should see a blue outline and a small label that identifies the element. Click once to select it. If your cursor lands on an item inside the section, look for the breadcrumb trail that appears near your selection and click the part labeled Strip to ensure the entire section is selected, not just a text box or image inside it. With the strip selected, a small floating toolbar or mini menu will appear near the selection. If multiple items are layered, make sure the strip itself is highlighted before you act. This ensures you're working at the section level and not on a single element. Once you're certain the strip is selected, choose the Delete option. Wix will remove the entire strip and the content inside it in one step. If you delete the wrong section by accident, don't worry. Use the undo command in the editor to instantly bring it back. Another tip: if your page layout needs a quick tidy after removing a strip, click anywhere on the canvas to deselect, then scroll to confirm the remaining sections are aligned as expected. When you're happy with the change, head to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Publishing updates the live version of your site so visitors see your latest edits. After the publish confirmation appears, click Done to return to the editor workspace. That's all there is to it. Open your site in the Wix Editor, select the strip, delete it, and publish your changes.